Welcome to my channel, Enthusiast Gardener. Today, we're diving into the world of basil, the king of aromatic herbs. Growing basil is a joy, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out. Its vibrant green leaves and heavenly aroma are irresistible. But how do you ensure that your basil plant keeps thriving while you enjoy its delicious leaves? In this video, we'll explore the best practices for harvesting basil that promotes continuous growth. Let's get started. The secret to harvesting basil isn't just picking leaves here and there. It's about harvesting in a way that promotes continuous growth while keeping your plants healthy and productive. Harvesting can begin once your basil plant has 6 to 8 sets of true leaves. This usually happens about 4 to 6 weeks after planting. The best time to harvest is in the morning when the essential oils are at their peak, ensuring maximum flavor. When harvesting, always pinch or cut just above a leaf node, the point where 2 leaves meet the stem. This encourages the plant to branch out and grow more leaves, giving you an abundant harvest over time. Be sure to leave at least 2 sets of leaves on each stem. This way, your basil plant will have enough energy to regenerate and continue growing. To ensure that you are reaping the optimal flavor and nutritional benefits from your cherished basil plants, it is crucial to maintain a consistent harvesting routine. When collecting the leaves, it is imperative to select those that are robust, vibrant, and free from any signs of pests or disease. Moderation is key when it comes to harvesting basil, as overly aggressive pruning can impede the plant's ability to recover and thrive. By taking care to harvest responsibly, you can ensure a bountiful and sustainable supply of fresh basil for your culinary creations. Now that we have our fresh basil, what can we do with it? The possibilities are endless. One delicious option is to make a homemade pesto sauce by combining fresh basil leaves with garlic, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil in a food processor. This versatile sauce is perfect for tossing with pasta, spreading on sandwiches, or using as a dip for crusty bread. Another way to incorporate fresh basil into your dishes is by adding chopped basil leaves to salads, soups, or pizzas. The aromatic flavor of basil adds a refreshing and herbaceous kick to these dishes, enhancing their overall taste and presentation. For a more unique twist, you can also experiment with making herbal infusions using basil. Simply steep basil leaves in hot water to make a soothing herbal tea, or infuse olive oil with basil to create a flavorful drizzle for salads or roasted vegetables. The possibilities for using fresh basil are truly endless and can add a burst of fresh flavor to any meal. By harvesting basil the right way, by gently snipping off the top leaves just above a leaf node, you not only ensure continuous growth, but also enjoy a steady supply of this flavorful herb throughout the growing season. Always make sure to make clean cuts, avoiding any damage to the plant. This method encourages the basil plant to produce more leaves and branches, promoting healthy growth and a bountiful harvest. By consistently harvesting basil correctly, you can benefit from a constant stream of fresh, fragrant leaves to use in your culinary creations, from homemade pesto to refreshing salads. This mindful approach to harvesting not only preserves the plant's vitality, but also ensures a reliable source of flavorful basil for all your culinary needs. So, are you ready to grow and harvest basil like a pro? Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. And remember, basil truly is the king of aromatic herbs, perfect for enhancing your garden and your kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video if you found it helpful. Happy gardening, Enthusiast Gardener, and see you next time.